Hey guys, Anthony here with a review video and demo of the SurFlex Screen Recorder, which you can try for free from a company called Nabla Mind. In a previous video, I showed you how to use the free online version of the screen recorder, and I also created another tutorial on how to download and install the desktop version, which is what I'm going to cover in this video. So here I have the SurFlex Screen Recorder open. First of all, I like the simplistic user interface. There are 3 tabs in this left side panel. We are currently in the Record Screen tab, and here you will see several options. You can record your full screen, a specific region, you can record your webcam, and you can record sounds, which includes your microphone as well as system sounds. This is the record button, which I'll show you in a moment. Let's go to the Record Audio tab, which allows you to record only audio if you wish. And you can use this drop-down to choose a specific microphone and system sounds. In the Record Webcam tab, you can record your webcam if you wish. Let me go back to the main Record Screen tab. So essentially, you can choose multiple recording options if you want to. For example, the screen, webcam, and sound, or you can choose only specific options. You can use this auto stop option if you want to stop the recording automatically. When you click this button, you'll see this dialog box pop up. And if you enable it, you'll see these options, which allow you to stop the recording after a specific time or file size, and also set up actions after you stop the recording. Let me close this dialog box, and we are back to the home screen. If you click on the video list in the bottom right corner, it will list down the videos you've recorded. And if you click this icon corresponding to a specific recording, it will open the folder where the recordings are saved. Let me go back to the SurFlex Screen Recorder, and I'll click on the Return to Home button, which will take me back to the home screen. In the top right corner, you'll see several icons. If you click on the Help icon, it'll open a browser window that will take you to the help section of the Nabla Mind website. Let me go back to the SurFlex Screen Recorder. If you click on the settings icon, you can customize many settings based on your needs. In the general section, you can set up the output folder where your screen recordings are saved. You can also set up the language. There are several options here. In the video section, you can choose an output format, for example, MP4, AVI, MOV, and others. You can choose the output quality. If you go for the highest quality, bear in mind that the file size will also be larger. You can also adjust the frame rate, which goes up to 60 frames per second. This camera mirror display option allows you to display the webcam as if you're looking directly into the mirror. You can also use the power of your GPU or the graphics processing unit or the graphics card if you have one for smoother performance and higher quality of your screen recording. You can also save a separate audio file if you wish by enabling this option here. In the audio section, you can adjust the output format like MP3, WAV, and others, as well as the bitrate and the sampling rate. And finally, under the advanced section, you can set up some keyboard shortcuts for starting, pausing, and stopping the recording. You can also enable this option to display a mouse cursor while recording. And finally, you can set up a countdown timer up to 10 seconds when you start the recording. You can use this Reset Default Settings button to reset them to the original settings. and then click the OK button once you're done to save the changes. Now let me do a quick demo screen recording using this SurFlex Screen Recorder. I'll choose the full screen option and the microphone for this demo. And then you'll notice a red border on the edges of the screen, as well as the screen resolution in the top right corner. So I'll click the record button to start the recording. You'll see this countdown timer if you've enabled it, and then it will start recording. You will see this floating bar, and you can click the minimize button to hide it. I'll go to the SurFlex website for the purpose of doing this recording demo. So let me scroll down. And as you can see, here you can record your screen. You can record your webcam. You can record your computer audio. And you can record your microphone. Let me scroll further down here. And here, as you can see, you can record your Zoom meetings and Google Meet meetings. You can record gameplay and streaming video. You can also record websites like I'm doing here. And you can record tutorials from presentations. And once you're done the recording, you can click the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl+1 to stop the recording. You will then see this file being saved, and it'll be saved in this video list folder, which is where you can access the recording, which is right here. Like I mentioned earlier, this is the desktop version, and it's available for Windows and Mac operating systems. Overall, I found the SurFlex Screen Recorder easy to use and user-friendly, and it has useful features that you look for in a good screen recorder. Now, that being said, I've provided some feedback to the company for improvements and new features that can help enhance the quality and functionality, and they've agreed to look into it. At the time of recording this video review, there are 3 paid options for monthly, yearly, and lifetime, and currently these are the discounted prices. This of course could change, so it's best to check the website for the latest prices. You can try SurFlex Screen Recorder for free. You can check the link in the description section. Well, I hope you found this review helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.